Hello, I'm Brooke Vess with Coldwell Banker Apex, and welcome back to my new series Before and After. Today I'm bringing you a beautiful $1 million lakefront property, and this one, it's just some minor updating, bringing it out of the Tuscan villa era of the early 2000s. This one, they just did some kitchen updates, they updated some exterior. I don't even think they painted the house, so take a look. They did update this entrance and took out the tile and just put some nice flooring. They changed that fireplace too. So you can see the kitchen. They did the white kitchen, the shaker cabinets, the wood floors here. See, I don't even think they painted. They took out that shelf there in that window. See, the bathroom was changed up, which I think it needed. It's very pretty. So what do you think? This home is pending right now. I love what they did outside too. I'd buy this house just for the exterior and the fact that it's on the lake. Thanks for watching. Check out my website for more active listings. See you later.